Finally, I'm back, guys. Went to the neighborhood market this morning and they had like 2 boxes full of these pitch black packs. I can't remember if there was cards in this set that I was looking for, but don't remember. But I do want that Darkrai, that top card in the set. That thing's worth a decent bit of money. And I'm like, hey, more money for my Pokemon funds here if I do pull that. I'm trying to get all the cards I want in my collection. So we will see when I get here. Oh, nice, a full art energy switch. Probably not worth a whole lot, but it's probably worth a couple of dollars. But hey, we pulled something. Alright, we got pack number 2. Yeah, I was trying to go for 6 packs, and then I forgot, like, oh, Walmart's got the 5, because I go to scan all 6, and the thing came up, and I'm like, whoops. Oh, look, I got one of my favorite Pokemon. Is that a sign? I got Venusaur on the freaking back of the code card. Excuse me a second. Hey, another full art. This one's a Pokemon Tool card. Wow, that's insane, the amount of like full art item trainer type of cards I'm pulling here. I was not expecting that. That's crazy. So that's probably worth another couple dollars. I don't know. Venusaur brought me to luck. We got the Dark Energy. Another Lampent. Fortunately, no full art thingy in that one. We still got 2 packs left. Maybe I might pull something good. Hopefully the Darkrai. Oh, look at that. Venusaur again. Can Venusaur go back to back and bring me the luck here? Dude, oh man, that's not even a full art. I was about to say, it never freaking fails, dude. Freaking Venusaur out here. Yeah. I spent like 26 something on these packs, man. Yo ho ho, Pikachu. And my favorite Pokemon evolves from Pikachu, so maybe I might get some luck here. Come on, Pikachu, bless me with the Darkrai. Bless me with that Darkrai, buddy. Ow. Got the Chi-Yu. And Miraidon's a reverse rare, but it probably ain't worth that much. But hey, we did it, guys, and these were the only 2 pulls. Sadly, I'm gonna go look these up to see what they're worth. Maybe I can get a couple dollars each on them, and I don't know. Hopefully soon, guys. Once I get enough more money for this, I'm gonna see if I can get some more packs of something like, I don't know. I really wanted that Darkrai. That's why when I seen this set, I'm like, ooh, they got Pitch Black. So I grabbed like 6 of them. But hey, we got 2 pulls out of 5 packs. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining about that at all. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Later, guys.